about, this is the Brahmin card. What I am so amazed about the Brahmin is their style are so different. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is Philine, and today we're going to do unboxing. Yes, it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yay! So today's video, I'm very excited because, of course, today I'm wearing my Banana Republic, and my necklace is I believe this is a Nadri. It's a pearl necklace. And okay, yes, so if this is the content that you'd like to watch here in YouTube, I do a lot of unboxing, I do hauls, I do reviews, I do also sales, I do vlog sales. I have not done a lot of vlog sale yet, but I'm going to in the future. And if you'd like to follow me in finding good deals and reviews in my Facebook page, I post reviews, not reviews, I post good deals that you can try to buy, or if that's something that you like to do. Okay, I don't understand why I'm like catching my breath. I'm so sorry. Anyway, so thank you so much for coming in here. Without further ado, let's do it. Let's do it. So ta-da! It's a Brahmin. Yes, it's a Brahmin. So Brahmin is really popular right now, and they are also quite expensive, and because of their craftsmanship, they are really good, and they are really pretty and also durable. They have their unique style that you will be amazed. Yes, and ta-da! Oops. Wow. So these are $1.95 each. This one, by the way, got this for some sale, and this is you're going to see this in my Mercari. I'm going to sell this together with the other one here. So there you have closer look, and there you go. That's inside of the wallet. And let me see what they call it. It's called Aquarius Stratford Addy wallet. Is Aquarius Stratford genuine leather. So what I'm amazed about, this is the Brahmin card. What I am so amazed about the Brahmin is their style are so different and really nice. There, at least you have an idea. There, and then next is, and really nice. There, at least you have an idea. There, and then next is, okay, so this one is, they call Addy Obsidian Veil. I'm not really good in unboxing. I haven't learned very well to unbox it gracefully. So this is the Brahmin wallet, and these are crocodile embossed wallet. So there you go. This is the inside. So there are 6 slots card here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots here, and of course for bills there. So if you can see this, if you're able to see this video, and if you're interested, you can also click down below. There is my Mercari shop and you can buy it from there. Don't be afraid to make an offer, but please don't lowball me. I don't get this for very big discounts because Brahmin barely go on sale, and that's the sad part. But they are, this one I haven't seen anymore. This is sold out in their Brahmin store or online store specifically. There you go. And then voila, there it is. Let me show you. Ta-da! Don't mind about my dry hands. So look at that. So they're kind of fancy. Probably this is the receipt. So this is the receipt, I believe. Okay. So I didn't see the price, but yeah. So that is in there. And then okay. So ta-da! It's Brahmin bag. This is the very first time that I ordered online, and because they are really pretty, and by the way, they're expensive as well. So this one is originally $400 something, but look at that. Brahmin, and voila, it's a set. I specifically bought this one because of this. So this bag is called let me see, of course, Caroline. The design, the style of this bag is Caroline, and they called the print, they called it Aquarius Stratford. I hope I'm saying it right. So the good thing about this one, this is like, this one is like a lizard print, and they have feet. So the good thing about we'll do a little review as well. The good thing about the bag that have feet is that your bottom will not be super dirty because of the feet. And look at that. Oh my god, look at that. So the handle is also a lizard print. I did not know that when I bought this. So this flowery thing is that they called it Aquarius Stratford, I believe. I hope I'm right. So this is very nice leather so as you can see, the good thing about Brahmin is this is not open. See, everything is closed, not like other bags where the zipper is hanging here and the bottom, the under is open. So then they're all closed, and they design it this way. This is really cool and very secure. Huh. Oh my god, I think I want to just have this bag, but even my own bag, I'm selling them. So inside is also a very big spacious structured bag. This one is really nice, and I think this is a fabric in here and the lining. But the good thing is the design here, these are also a lizard emboss. I never had a lizard emboss ever. I've been always wanting to have it. And the good thing is there, the shoulder strap. Why would I do that? Okay, the shoulder strap is, this is probably 1 inch on the top and a 1.5 inch on here, I believe. Let me see. Hang on. So this is actually 2 inch, 1.5 there, and then the very top is 1 inch. Yeah, there you go. So in inner is also a lizard emboss, and outside as well. So oh my god, this is so nice. And this is probably where you put your cell phone here, but it's a little bit tight. It's because this one is very structured, but even though this one is very structured, when you touch it, it's really smooth. And this, they don't have it in online anymore. They are sold out. So these says Brahmin, and the logo here. It has a one pocket. Oh, there are 2 zipper pocket inside and each side, and also one small one. One here without, excuse me, without a zipper. So that is really, really good, and I really love it because it's so unique. It is very unique, and I don't know, it's just amazing. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So when you see this video, probably this one is already in my Mercari. You go ahead and snag it because you cannot buy it anywhere. So far in the internet, I haven't seen this one yet. Especially their online outlet in Brahmin, I didn't see it yet. So yeah, and see, very nice. And there you have it. I have 2 wallets, and especially this and especially this. They are awesome. Okay, thank you so much. Please comment down below, what do you think of this bag, and if you like it, you can buy it from me. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Okay, bye bye.